Dear Sir, comma, I am certain that you are not fully conversant with the matter, comma, or you would not urge those who were present on these occasions to bring the question to the notice of the meeting, full stop. On either side there are those who are always ready to hurry business as fast as they can, comma, notwithstanding that there is no advantage gained by unnecessary haste, full stop. By and by, comma, I am inclined to think that you will agree with me on this matter, comma, and then you will regret that you unduly hastened the passing of the rules with which we are now dealing, full stop. Yours truly, close.